We haven't done a What's Happening video for the past couple of weeks. Of course, we had the holidays, Thanksgiving. We did a lot of traveling with our family. In all of that, my oldest daughter moved out of her house and she's building a house, so she moved in with us, and we're just been quite busy and things have been discombobulated a little bit in our lives. Now we're on the road again. We're in Pennsylvania and we're meeting with a customer in Lancaster tomorrow. Actually, two of our customers in Lancaster. Today we were at the Dobbin House Tavern. It's downtown Gettysburg. If you ever get a chance and you're close to Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, you gotta try this place. This morning we're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania with King Conservation Group. They're getting job after job after job with the wall spray cellulose. They've upgraded to a CM700 Recycler, which allows them easier recycling capabilities of the material, and it comes out with a better saturation on the moisture content in your wall system. We have a CM700 Recycler that's being fed by our CM1500 HP. These are designed to be synchronized with a wireless remote. We are with Landco Pole Buildings, and we just installed their generator slider. The slider is in this cabinet, and we had to cut a hole in the trailer, a brand new, nice looking trailer, and moved it over there. It came out nicely.
As Barry said, we've had a very busy month, but also a very good month. Thanksgiving began a really fun time for our family of making some special memories. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos.